can install Drupal on my Mac. I'm going to use it doing a method called drush and with the command line. If you would like me to do more tutorials on how to install drush or how to install the command line, um, respond back with some feedback. Your feedback tells me on what tutorials I need to do next. Alright, so first thing that we're going to need to do is you're going to need to, I'm on a Mac, so I'm installing MAMP. Um, well, I've already installed MAMP actually. Um, so let me go ahead and fire that up. As you can see here, I've got MAMP and some other stuff running, but I've got a MySQL server. Oh, there we go. I've got a MySQL server running. Um, go ahead and open up terminal here, and to install Drupal, I've already installed Drush on my machine. I'm just in my user desktop, so we will do cd applications, and I've installed my MAMP directory here, htdocs, and now I want to create a directory, so make directory, and we'll call it, well, this will be the Drupal tutorial. Drupal tutorial. Alright, so I've made that, and let's go into it. Alright, now I'm in here. Now, one other thing, I develop using Coda. The reason I like Coda is it, it simply makes my life easier. Um, I'm going to add a site, and we will call it Drupal tutorials. This is going to be basically the framework where I'm going to do my module tutorials and theme tutorials and different things like that. Different things that I think are cool that you might want to see out there. Okay, I'm going to set my local root to htdocs Drupal tutorials. Alright, save. Alright. Now, the reason that I wanted to do this was to show you on the sidebar inside my Drupal tutorials, and what's nice too is Coda does have a terminal that you can use. I just switched to local shell for local development, and what's nice is it puts you right in where you need to be. So let's start off with downloading Drupal. So we do drush download Drupal. Oh, bash. Drush download Drupal. And you can see on the left here, it installs Drupal and unzips it. And there you go. And let's see, oh, I'm trying to remember. Um, does it move? Uh, you know what? I'm just gonna do this because I don't remember the command line command for that. But let's just call it docroot. Okay. Now, so we will go into the docroot now, and of course we are gonna need a database. So let's do MySQL. All right, I'm creating at the command line just because that's easier and faster for me. Create database, and lullabot.com has tons of great tutorials, including some command line ones. I may improvise, expand, or borrow from them from time to time, but they are a great spot to get resources. Alright, create database. I always call my local ones local underscore Drupal tutorial. semicolon, finish it up. All right, let's exit. All right, now I have that. Now, inside the Docker, you can see we've got a standard Drupal install. One thing that I am going to need, well, okay, I guess this is far enough. Let's go ahead and open up a browser. Here's Safari, my third favorite browser, second favorite browser. I prefer Firefox myself. But anyway, oh, one more magic app. It's called Virtual Host X. You don't need this if you're comfortable on doing your own HTTP config file, but I do this because I work with designers and it's just handy to have a GUI to do it. So let's go ahead and add a host, and I'll just call it local dot Drupal tutorial. Okay, and then I can set my path to htdocs. I put a shortcut here into your htdocs. It'll make your life a lot easier. Let's see. There's Drupal tutorial. Docker it. There we go. And apply changes. Now what's cool about that is now I just do my local.Drupal tutorial, and voila, there's my Drupal installed. Isn't that slick? Alright, now you see right here, first thing that it's complaining about is I need a settings.php file. So we go into our sites, default, duplicate this, and if you have any questions, Drupal questions that you want me to answer, that I can in this context, let me know. If you need me to troubleshoot your site, we can negotiate that offline. All right, so let's go ahead and try again. All right, database name, local Drupal tutorial. All right, just go ahead and set all this up. All right, there you go. That's a Drupal install that took like no time at all. If this is far enough, go ahead. If you want to see some of the very basic modules and other things that you can do with Drush, stick around just a little bit. Going back to my shell here, you can download some of the core modules you can need. If you want me to do a tutorial on how to make a script file, let me know, and we'll see if we can get that figured out. But I like CCK, of course, views, devel is handy. And just for demonstrations here. Oh, yeah, admin menu, invaluable. Okay, let's start off with that. And then you can turn on, and if you have a site that takes a while to open the modules page, if you have numerous modules, you can see why this is so much faster. Admin menu. Yes, I want to turn it on. Voila, it's turned on. Now when I refresh, you can see I have this here. And this basically represents this administration bar here. Content management, site building, help. And there we are. That's step one of how to install a Drupal site on your machine in just a couple minutes. All right, I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, leave feedback on the stuff that you want, because that's going to let me know um, where I need to go. All right. If you like this, make sure you share it on Facebook. Give me a thumbs up. I appreciate your encouragement. Bye.